Jimmy's first, and then Alexander. I'm going for the last list. Let's go on the whole list. And if they get that one right, they'll go to the fourth grade. Okay? So the first word is college. That's not the last list. Is flip over. Blooming. The flowers are blooming in spring. Blooming.
Blooming. Blooming.
Is incorrect. So, Alexander, you spell blooming.
Blooming.